Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to connect Stripe with Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. With that, let's get started. First, go to your Shopify dashboard, click Settings in the bottom left, and select Payments. Now, if you search for Stripe under Choose a Provider, it will say in No Providers Found. That is because Shopify Payments already uses Stripe behind the scenes, so they hide it as a separate option. But here is the secret trick to bypass that restriction. Go to your browser URL bar, erase everything after your store name, type this path in, and hit enter. This forces the hidden Stripe setup page to load right on your screen. The install button will be grayed out at first because you need backend permission. To fix this, click Contact Provider right next to it. When the box pops up, you can message their support team directly. Type in a simple request like this one, and make sure your message is at least 30 characters long before hitting send. While it is not a 100% guarantee for every account, this lets Stripe review your store profile on the back end and grant you access. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to connect Stripe with Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.